Hi Barry, here's Pro-powerflushing, telephone number 07836 353 985. We're in Bolton today. We've got a customer, we've got a Valent combination boiler. Some of the radiators weren't heating up. The customer was having problems with some faults on the boiler. We flushed the boiler separately. We've also taken out the flow sensor, gave that a clean. It was all clogged up, etc. He was advised by his engineers. I'm not sure whether he's got a contract or not. I'm not really sure. But basically, the Valent engineers said that he needs to get a power flush done, and we're not surprised it's been clogging up. We'll just show you the magnet here. Just going to zoom in. You can see them fairly big pieces of rust and corrosion. That magnet was all very clean before we started, and now it's full of all this rust and corrosion and magnetite. That's what's been getting in the boiler. The Valent boilers, they're pretty, how can I say, they're pretty susceptible to dirt and corrosion getting in with the flow sensors and that. They're sensitive. I think that's really the word I'm looking for. So this is what we do. I'm a fully gas safe registered engineer. We power flush central heating systems throughout the northwest UK area. We also go down to Stafford. We're based in Bramwell, Stockport, Manchester. We cover Stafford, Cheshire, Lancashire, parts of Yorkshire, parts of Derby for our power flushing service. If you're within 60 or 70 mile radius of our hometown, which is Bramwell, Stockport, we will come and power flush your central heating system. We do it to the power flush systems to BS 7593 standard. You will not receive a better power flush anywhere in the UK. You know, I've done a lot of power flushes, hundreds, and you know, I know what I'm doing basically. It's me who does the power flush, Barry has, and we've come across many different systems and sorted out a lot of customers with block boilers, block central heating, etc. Okay, we only use the best equipment and chemicals, being the Camco range of power flush pumps, the magnet there as you can see, and the chemical FX2 chemical going through there, and we put a Sensonox 100 or a Fernox inhibitor in there when the power flush is completed. We're up to 50% cheaper than the major utility companies. You know who we're talking about without mentioning any names. So you get the best possible flush, you get a fully certificated, all okay with your service provider, whoever it may be, whether it be British Gas, Home Servion, Corgi, Valent, etc. Okay, we're not going to make a long video. We've got a lot to do. You know, we've told you what we do now. We know this system's going to be heating up really nice later. So give me a call if you need anything like this doing on telephone number 07836 353 985, or contact us through our website pro-powerflushing.co.uk. Okay, thank you.